Welcome to Online Learning and Strategies for Success. I am here to teach you how to navigate this course. This course is 1 week long. It starts on Monday and it will end on Saturday. It is important that you log on to Canvas every day. You will have material to read and activities to do. This week will go by very fast, and I don't want you to fall behind or miss anything. Once you log on to the class site, you'll be directed to the home page. This here is the home page for Monday. Every day the home page will look a little different. It will have detailed information about what to expect and possibly assignments to complete that day. The very first thing that you need to do is to click on this little red button. This course is set up in modules, and the very first module you must complete is the orientation module. Here are all the pages in the orientation module. Please start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. Once you've completed that, you'll be able to open up the lecture material for Monday. For Monday, you'll have material to read and activities to do. Let's take a look at the first activity, which is a discussion board. All the assignments are set up pretty similar, where you will see a learning goal for that assignment. You will see detailed instructions on how to complete that assignment and links to technology support if you need help on turning in that assignment. If we go back up to the top, as we can see, the initial post for this discussion board is due on Tuesday by 11:59 p.m., which is tomorrow. Please complete the discussion board today and then go back and read the posts from your peers and reply by Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. If you go up to the top and you see these three buttons, we want to see the scoring rubric. This is how I am going to evaluate your discussion board. Please take a look at the way you can earn your points. The maximum points you can earn for this assignment is 8. Okay, if you have questions or need help, please send me a message through the inbox or feel free to come to my Zoom meetings. I will have Zoom meetings on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I am here to help you. I want you to be successful and I want you to enjoy this week in Canyons Promise Boot Camp. Have fun. I'll see you in office hours.